Top 10 Auto Repair in Miami. 1. ALFA Garage Miami, 493 reviews, ALFA Garage Building. 2. Fast Tire and Auto Repair Miami, 24 reviews, Northwest 7th Avenue. 3. JC Car Care Center, 1420 reviews, Northwest 27th Avenue. 4. Ray's Auto Repair Shop, 642 reviews, Southwest 15th Avenue. 5. Leader Service, 277 reviews, Coral Way. 6. Mario Busto Auto Repair, 117 reviews, Southwest 5th Street. 7. Tony's Vehicle Solutions, 1192 reviews, Southwest 7th Street. 8. Auto Repair Miami LLC, 269 reviews, Northwest 119th Street Bay 1. 9. Miami's Quality Auto Repair, 835 reviews, Southwest 71st Avenue. 10. ET Auto Repair, 306 reviews, Northwest 27th Avenue.